display showing welcome to charging station. At this stage, charging station is ready to charge the vehicle. Now we will park the vehicle. So when vehicle is parked on the charging station, the IR sensor detects and sends signal to Arduino board. Here on the display we can see the time in second for which vehicle is parked and the charge in rupees here. Now we know that the wattage of coil, this transmitter coil, is 1.2 watt. So we have considered the charge of 1 rupees for 1 watt, and for the coil of 1.2 watt it's showing the total amount after calculation. So once the vehicle is removed from the charging station, the charging is off, and here a billing amount, total bill amount is shown with time. So total billing amount is 63.60 rupees. After some time, the system will again ready to charge another vehicle. This is the project of wireless charging for electric vehicle. In this is the charging station. The charging station consists of the power supply. This is the transmitter coil which is transmitting the power wirelessly. This is the relay which is connecting and disconnecting the supply to the coil. This is the Arduino Nano. This is the buzzer. This is the IR sensor for detecting the vehicle, and this is the 16:2 LCD display which will display the billing amount and time. All the operation is controlled by Arduino Nano board. When any vehicle comes here on the top of this wireless power transfer coil, the IR sensor will detect and give signals to the Arduino Nano board. Once Arduino Nano board receives the signal from IR sensor that vehicle is parked for charging, the Arduino Nano board will turn on the wireless power transfer coil using this relay. This coil requires 12 volt DC to operate, which is given by this power supply. This is the power supply section, which is consisting of the transformer, the full bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, voltage regulator and filter capacitor. This is the on-off switch to turn on and off the project. Now once the project is on, you can see the light is on and display showing wireless EV charging station. A one beep sound will be generated, and here this light and power to the coil is off. Now we will park one vehicle which is consisting of the receiver coil on the bottom side of the vehicle and LEDs on the top side. When the receiver coil receives the power, the LEDs will glow. Now we will park the vehicle here. When signal is received by the IR sensor, the IR sensor will send signal to the Arduino Nano board, and Arduino Nano board will turn on the relay. Then the coil will be turned on.